So I'm going to show you how you can extract tar.xz and .txt files using the terminal in Linux. So these are just compressed files. It isn't really anything special. It's just like the way you extract normal zip and RAR files. So you use the command tar and then you pass the options xvf, then capital J, then you now pass the file name. So I don't really want to copy out the file, don't want to also type out the file, so I'm going to copy it and insert, and yeah. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, all the contents of the file, all the contents of this are here. So this is .txt, and then that same command will also work with tar.xz. So let me copy out this file name. Yeah, checks out. As you can see, same thing, extracting, still extracting, and yeah, this command will work for any files of that name, of those names.